2 to how to write your own receipt so you can get a return for donating to charity. This is part 2, and you're watching my channel. Thanks for visiting, and we're about to go and do a real live example of how to write a receipt. So please pay attention and learn something amazing. So we're gonna go into my phone and basically just go and over how to write a receipt on your own. We're going to use the program Microsoft Word, and we're going to show you how to write a receipt. So wonderful, so beautiful, that's always accepted by any tax auditor, no matter who they are, H&R Block, any tax auditor on earth. You can write them yourself. You can even go to church and have the church rewrite them, which is basically what they're doing, basically what I'm showing you how you just did. It's like you don't need them. You just need to write just like this. You need to know what you need to do. It's simple. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're done. You just do that, and it's just over with. If anything, that's all. Simple, easy, and done. And you can write 3 of those for up to $50 a piece. Boom, baby, getting up to $150. No questions asked, just done. Simply put, your company name, the time and the date of when you donated the money, how much money specifically, and the person's name, if you have the person's name, if you know who that is. Boom, baby, done. You don't even need the person's name all the time. So, boom, you're getting life. If you saw the picture of me, yes, having a fundraiser, which you can check out down in the description and contribute to my fundraiser, trying to fundraise $3,000, blah, 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 company exemption, trying to get it in advanced modeling. If you know about that, Harvey L. Princeton, holla at your boy. Otherwise, just basically going to move on. Basically, it's how to write a simple receipt. It is so simple. It is so easy. You will definitely love. Please check out my Charity Fundraiser online. Give you way more information. It'll help you get through the hard, tough spots that people usually avoid when it comes to taxes and getting a charitable return up to under $50 and how to do it. And people just really, really want to do things and get that money. So, don't need a charity because you get your money back. That's why. Hello. It is simple to write the receipt. All you need is your company name. Doesn't even need to be anything real or something superficial. You can remember it because it's always good to remember, because once it's good, it's always good in this industry. So, if you're going to have a weird name, all capital letters. If you're going to have a regular name that can be pronunciated appropriately so, and the time and the date that you gave the furlough. It's like, the time is Tuesday, October 2000, it's like that day. You know what I'm saying? And then, if I donated to them today, I would just put that today, and then the exact amount I gave them. Then, if I know them, their name and whatnot, just their name, I would just put that there and show it to my tax auditor. It should look something like this. Yay, celebration. I know it's easy. Again, the company name, the date, the exact amount, and if you have it, acknowledgement about who that is, the person's name. And that is a going receipt. That is a receipt that's good at all tax auditors. They love it. They want it. They need it. They want you to write it because you say you donated the money, right? I'm sure you would know exact amounts. I know, it's October, and you're like, why don't I have those receipts? Because I have a better solution. Because people have possibly donated more than $50 at any time to anybody who you contribute money to. for the last couple of years, I'm sure you contribute over $250. Let's say like this the last couple of years, you probably donated $75. $75 or more. You know what I'm saying? Give you the opportunity to pay like up to $200 already. If you paid somewhere around $200 in the last 3 to 4 years, you'd be able to write your own receipt. And when I say this, your own receipt, that means lie. Do not try to lie like you gave $150 when you didn't, or $100 and you didn't, because they do assess people completely, and they will give them the sanction. The sanction is bad. You'll go to jail. So please try to avoid it. But, well, lying, to try to avoid it altogether, but at a better went, what you do is you write your name, you have your company name ready. If you could just make it up and have a company just render just of you have that name after making the company name up, then you write how much money you donated. Now, each receipt is only $50 maximum yield receipt, up to 3 receipts to $150, which is only the amount that you could use at release when. It's like you can only get up to $150 a year. Let's say like from between January to November, it's $150 you could have donated to charity with ration to understanding. If after the second receipt, you're gonna need evidence stating that you donated $50 more, or they're not gonna believe you. No one is. So try to understand what is necessary to get a receipt and write your own receipt. To write your own receipt is simple. You must have contributed up to $200 and have been constantly and consecutively participating in the anti-poverty program with Montgomery County government. Now, when you participate for so long, you could then write your own receipts. You could just put your name, your company name, and how much money you donated on each receipt. And I told you just now that each receipt must be $50 maximum yield. It is like you can only put up to $50 each receipt. And if you did not garnish evidence for the third receipt stating that you have paid exact amounts, $50 exactly, so you can get a full return, they will be denying your third receipt at the maximum yield of $50. Like the first two, they'll accept it at $50, but the third one, they will not accept it unless you have evidence proving that you actually paid $50 more, stating that claim specifically at least once. And you'll be able to write your own receipt. You wouldn't even need me to give you a receipt for contributing. Now, you can also get a receipt from churches, okay, and other charitable organizations that you have contributed to, because they should be on your debit card. So, hopefully this is a good information loading video for you, so you can understand that you can write your own receipt. Write your own receipt, and you can bypass needing to have me have you write a receipt. You can also get a receipt from church and other expenditures such as your debit card, just in case you did donate using like CashApp or Chime or something like that, and they will use those as receipts that will really accommodate for just doing things. So, thank you for watching this video, and y'all have a great day.